Namaste and welcome to today's class. Today, to help us with the class, we have our student Rishika. We'll start with shloka. Om Samudravasane Devi Parvatasthana Natyam Karishye Bhudevi Padasparsham Kshamaswame Angikam Bhuvanam Yasya Vachikam Sarvavangmayam Aharyam Chandrataradi Tam Numah Satvikam Shivam Guru Brahma Gurur Vishnum Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Om Shanti 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 Kitta Takka Takka Dhimmi Takka Jhannu Takka Dhimmi Takka Jhannu Dhimmi Takka Jhannu Takka Dhimmi Takka Jhannu Tai Tai Didi Tam Tai Tai Didi Tam Tai Tai Didi Tam. Let us do some exercises. We'll start with neck movements. Keep your hands and legs relaxed. You can keep the legs also apart. Start with neck up and down first. Slowly breathe in normally and breathe out when the neck goes down. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in when the head goes up and breathe out slowly when the head comes down. Now let us try this side to side, left and right. Slowly, as slow as possible at the beginning. And the other way, side to side now. This way. Yes. Now let us try to do circle, slow circle. And opposite. Slowly. Side to side once again. The other side, do circle. Side to side, up and down. And let us start with shoulder exercises. Keep your hands on the shoulders and make a small circle first and slower ones. Now try to do bigger circles with the same speed. Yes. Draw a circle with your elbows and opposite. And now hold your hands here, back side. Stretch nicely. Another side. The other hand, slowly. Now after the stretch, let us do the circle. Yeah, you can hold mushti or even pataka, both are fine. And opposite, keep doing it. Can we do one hand now? And back side. And the other hand. And back. Let us start with the wrist. Starting from lower side, go up and slowly come down. We'll repeat the same exercise again. Remember to keep your elbows straight if you want the good use of this exercise. It is not just for your wrist, remember. Alright, let us start with ankles. Circle them and opposite. Don't move your leg, keep your legs as tight as possible and knees pulled in Correct. Other leg. Pull your knees back side slowly. It's not a race, we don't have to rush, and there is no use of doing fast here. It's about activating all your muscles and give some kind of movements for your joints and stretching the calf muscles and hamstrings. Try up and down with the other leg also, and when you are pulling it, keep it there for a while, pull it neatly and stretch more. Okay. Now spread your legs and be in this position. Yes. Keep your knee and your toes in the same direction, that leg as well. Yeah. Don't arch your back. Now from there, be there in that same position and rock right and left, slowly, 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 slowly develop that area. Now slowly in that, move your legs slowly out, move your legs slowly, and go towards your right side. Now fully sit down by keeping the leg up. We will do it again, Chika. While sitting down, make sure that you lift your leg. Even if you lose the balance, it is fine, you can hold the ground, it is not the balancing exercise. We have to make sure that our leg is being stretched here and here. So if you keep the toes to the ground, not so much of effect there. Lift this leg while going there. Lift. You don't have to hold your hand here. You can just try to stretch your legs and keep this leg flat, the other leg flat. Yes. Now maximum you have to push it this way. Sit on that. You can sit down completely. Yes. Now turn towards that side slowly. Now keep the back leg flat. Yes. Push that leg little bit forward more, the other leg, right leg, by keeping the leg flat. Now go down on the elbows. Yes. Breathe normally, that is very important. And now twist the front leg inside, almost facing the front side. Very nice. Now lie down on that. Stretch your hands as front as possible. Try to find a balance in your right and left side. Right now, Rishika's, yes, that's it. Your body should not go on the left side or right side. It should be held in the center. Now slowly come up from there. Keep the leg flat, front leg in between the hands. Correct. Now try to stretch up, keep the back leg flat and then stretch up. Now this is for this particular leg. Hold this hand or anywhere, just hold it there. If you are shaking, then good, you are doing something good. Yeah. Now slowly walk and come up, up. Again we will start with the same rocking position. Keep it closer, slowly, and slowly widen your legs, just sliding, sliding, sliding. And now go towards your left side. Keep the leg as straight as possible. In that position, you can do a circle also with your leg. Yes, slowly, slowly. Yes. Now turn towards this side. On your elbows first. This is your first position where you keep the back leg flat and you are relaxed on your elbows. But balance should not be on the elbows, too much of weight. Your weight should be equally distributed throughout, and try to keep this leg as close to your body as possible. Yeah. Now twist the leg inside and stretch forward, same way how you did the other part. Yeah. Now here again find the balance of your leg, of your body. Very nice. Spend some time here. This exercise is very important for us Bharatanatyam dancers, especially because we keep on turning our legs for Aramandi, but there is nothing that happens to complement it the other way around. So, this stretch of your back side throughout the hip and thighs is very important. Right now it is working on your hip, your hamstrings, and somewhat on your calf muscle also, and also it is aligning your joints. If you see the front leg, slowly get up Rishika, just be there. Yeah, if you see here the alignment here, because we keep on opening this part, something should happen which gives it stability there, and that is why this exercise is very important before doing Adavus. Very nice, just be there. Find the balance here again, walk towards front side and join your legs slowly and sit down in butterfly position. Now here if you have help at your house, it will be great if somebody can push you with their hands and help you stretch more. Then this is a very gradual process. You do not necessarily have to get this good turnout immediately, but these exercises are important and not Adavus for you to get this stretch in your Aramandi. Yes. See her elbows is also on her leg now. With that elbow she is trying to push it down. Keep your elbows as you do not have to hold the leg there. Keep your hands on the elbows, and with the help of your own elbows or hands you can try to push yourself as much as down. And once you are comfortable here, wherever your leg is, you can try to go forward with your hands, keeping it stretched. This will at this posture you need somebody to hold your legs, because sometimes it might come up. Then there is no use. We are not doing this exercise for the back, but for the stretching of your legs. And slowly come up and stretch your legs and be there, sit down there, stretch your legs and get up. Let us continue our class with some Adavus. We will do Tattai Taha Adavu, which is also called as Tattu Kuditta Tattadavu, where you tap the right and left leg twice and jump and hit right leg first, then left side you start and jump and hit left leg. This is constant in this Adavu, but in hands we have many variations. First one, the most commonly used, that is Tattai Taha, Thittai Taha, corner Tattai Taha, Thittai Taha. Alright, let us try that first. Kit, tak, first speed. Ta, tai, ta, dhit, tai, ta, ha, ta, tai, ta, ha, dhit, tai, ta, ha. Second variation of this we can do ta, tai, ta, ha. Remember to keep your hand in Natyaramba position wherever, however it is, that much is enough. Do not bring it too low. Ta, tai, ta, ha. Bring it up to put it down and not just do ta. You see the difference there? Ta, tai, ta, ha. Let it flow, not just your wrist. Same thing left side. Ta, ha. Here ta, tai, ta, ha. Bend towards the angle, circle, full circle, ta, ha. Can we try the second variation now? Kit, tak, ta, tai, ta, ha, dhit, tai, slowly, ta, ha. Full circle back side, ta, tai. Don't forget to fold your legs, ha, dhe, tai, ta, ha. Okay. Third variation in this, Rishika will show you once. It's the same thing from back side in the circle, but your hand will be here for tattai. Ta, tai, ta, ha. There is a small bend there when you bend back, and ha. Full circle here again, dhit, tai, ta, ha. And in this variation only, next one is ta, tai, ta, ha, dhit, tai, ta, ha. Rishika will show you once. Try. Kit, tak, ta, tai. Ta, tai should come there. Kit, tak, ta, tai. Ta, ha. Correct. Left side. De, tai, ta, ha. Ta, tai. Bend towards the hand and come back. De, tai, ta, ha. Now, can we do all these adavus together? Same adavu, different hands. So, in between, to give you some rest, break, we will just stand in Samapadam for ta, ka, dhim, mi, ta, ka, dhan, no. Next one, we will start. We will do all these combinations together in first speed first. Kit, tak, ta, tai, ta, ha, dhit, tai, ta, ha, ta, tai, ta, ha, dhe, tai, ta, samapadam, ha, tak, dhim, mi, tak, jhanno, tai, tai, didi, tai, tam, tai, tai, didi, tai, tam, tai, tai, didi, tai, tai, ha, tai, hi, tai, ha, tai, hi, tai, ha, tai, hi, tai, ha, tai, hi. Samapadam. Tak, dhimmi, tak, jhanno, tak, dhimmi, tak, jhanno, tai, tai, didi, tai, tam, tai, tai, didi, tai, tam, tai, tai, didi, tai, tai, ha, tai, hi. Correct. Tai, ha, tai, hi. Ta, tai, ta, ha. Dhe, tai, ta, ha. Get up. Stand in Samapadam. Tai, tai, didi, tai. Second speed from the beginning. Didi, tai, tam. Tai, tai, didi, tai, tat, tai, ta, ha. Dhit, tai, ta, ha. Don't rush. Tai, ta, ha. Once again same. Ta, ha. Tat, tai, ta, ha. Dhit, tai, ta, ha. Tat, tai, ta, ha. Stand up. Tak, dhimmi, tak, jhanno, tai, tai, didi, tai, tam, tai, tai, didi, tai, tam, tai, tai, didi, tai, tat, tai, ta, ha, dhit, tai. Slower hands. Tat, tai, ta, ha. Once again, let them do Rishika. Tat, tai, ta, ha. Dhit, tai, ta, ha. Tat, tai, ta, ha. Dhit, tai. Samapadam. Tak, dhimmi, tak, jhanno, tai, tai, didi, tai, tam, tai, tai, didi, tai, tam, tai, tai, didi, tai, ta, tai, ta, ha. Dhit, tai, ta, ha. Okay. It has to be tat, tai, ta, ha. Kit, tak, tat, tai, ta, ha. Don't stretch the hand. It has to have this bend here. So, once you bring it here, it's only your wrist. It's not the hand which is moving. Ta, ha. 1, 2, kit, tak, tat, tai, ta, ha. Dhit, tai, ha. Tat, tai, ta, ha. 1, 2, kit, tak, tat, tai, ta, ha. Dhit, tai, ta, ha. It will come with practice. You don't have to be worried if you're not able to do it. Once you know the hands properly, your body has to move there. Tat, tai, ta, ha. taha. That body movement is important. Try. Kitta takka tattai taha. Correct. Taha. Tattai taha. Let them do. Tattai taha. Dhittai taha. Tattai taha. Dhittai taha. Samapadam. Let us try to do in third speed. Kitta takka tattai taha dhittai taha tattai taha dhittai taha tattai taha dhittai taha tattai taha. Once again same. Tattai taha dhittai taha tattai taha dhittai taha tattai taha dhittai taha. Samapadam. Dhittai kitataka ta ka dhimmi ta ka jhanno. Second one. Tattai taha dhittai taha tattai taha dhittai taha tattai taha dhittai taha. Let them do, Rishika. Tattai taha dhittai taha tattai. More neatness. Make sure the legs are in the same place, not going here and there. Samapadam. Takka dhimmi. Third one we'll try. Kitta takka tattai taha dhittai. Shabash. Tattai taha dhittai taha tattai taha dhittai taha tattai taha dhittai taha. Let us do Rasika Priya Jatiswaram from the beginning. Sa ni dha pada pama gama ga. Sa ni dha pada pama gama ga. Sari gama pada ni sa. Ni dha pada pama gama ga. Sari gama pada ni sa. Ni dha pada pama gama ga. Sari gama pada ni sa. Ni dha pada pama gama ga. Sari gama pada ni sa. Ni dha. Neck movement. Pada. Go back. Ga tripataka dhalangutaka dhikutaka tadikita tom tattarikita takata tarikidom tatakita kita takatai tarikidom tattarikita taka dhittarikita taka tom tarikita taka nam tarikita taka dharikita taka dhanakita taka jhanukita taka kita taka tadikita tom tadikita tom ta kirdaga tarikidom ta kirdaga tarikidom ta kirdaga tarikidom taka dhikku kirdaga tarikidom taka dhikku kirdaga tarikidom taka dhikku kirdaga tarikidom. Sa ni dha pada pama gama ga. Sari gama pada ni sa. Ni dha pada pama gama ga. Sari gama pada ni sa. Pada pama gama ga. Sa ni dha pada pama gama ga. Sari gama pada ni sa. Ni dha pada pama gama ga. Sari gama pada ni sa. Ni dha pada pama gama ga. Sari gama pada ni sa. Ni dha pada pama gama ga. Sari gama pada ni sa. Pama gama ga. Sari gama pada ni sa. Ni dha pada pama gama ga. Sari gama pada ni sa. Ni dha pada pama gama ga. Sari gama pada ni sa. Pama gama ga. Sari. Fold your legs here. sa ni dha pada pa ma ga ma ga sa ri ga ma. Bend your body nicely here. Sa ni dha pada pa ma ga ma ga. Next one. Sa, bend your body nicely. Pada pa ma ga ma ga sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pada pa ma ga ma ga sa ri sa ni dha pada pa ma ga ma ga sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pada pa ma ga ma ga sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa pada pa ma ga ma ga sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pada pa ma ga ma ga sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pada pa ma ga ma ga sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha. Sa ni dha pada pa ma ga ma ga. Anupalavi. Sa ri sa ni dha pada pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa ri sa ni dha pada pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa ri sa ni dha pada pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa. Going back now. Dha pada pa ma ga sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa ri sa ni dha pada pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa sa ri sa ni dha pada pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa ri sa ni dha pada pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa ri dha pada pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa. Going back same. Pada pa ma ga sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa.
So the last part of this Anupallavi, it's all in Tishram. We are playing with Tishram and Chaturashram again. It starts with, you have to do Pakkadavu, starting, you have to face the left diagonal and your hands will go towards the right. Takkitta. Now change face to the left back and your hands are going to go to the left front. Kitta, takka, takkitta, 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 takkitta. Now after you finish this, hands will go to the left back. Kitta, takka, takkitta, takkitta. Turn again and yeah, complete the circle. Kitta, takka, takkitta, 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 takkitta. Now we have 2 Drutams left. For this we are doing Diditei, 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 Diditei. Can we do all this together? Kitta, takka, takkitta, 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 Diditei, Diditei, Diditei. That's all. After this we are going to the Tirmanam again. The calculation of the Tirmanam is Diditei, tei 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 diditei, diditei, tei 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 diditei, diditei, tei 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 diditei, 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 tei tei diditei, ta. Very simple. So it starts with Diditei. We have to fill in all the Tirmanams. So Diditei, tei 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 diditei, diditei, tei 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 diditei, diditei, Tei 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 didite, 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 tei tei didite. Krishna will show you. Kitta takka didite, tei 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 didite, didite, tei 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 didite, didite, tei 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 didite, 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 tei tei didite. Can we do this last section once again? Kitta takka sa ri sa ni dha pa dha pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa dha pa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma pa dha ni sa.
Relax here for 2 breaths. Just keep your feet apart, hands apart. Close your eyes and just relax your breath. Okay. Now we'll bring our feet together. Yes. Raise both the legs to 90 degree. Slowly bend the knees. Hug your knees. Hug your knees. And keep pressing your thighs against your belly. Here we are trying to do deep breathing. Although it is very difficult, we'll try doing deep breathing here. Normal breathing. Hold here for 5 to 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slowly exhale and lift your head up. Take your forehead towards your knees. Compress your body completely. Contract your abdominal muscles. Hold this posture. Normal breathing. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly release. Release your legs. Relax. That was Pavanamuktasana. Okay. Now bring your hands to the shoulder level.
Sorry, am I going towards this? Yeah.
Okay. Now bring your feet together and hands to the shoulder level. Arms in the shoulder level, palms on the ground. Yes. Now we will go for twisting. Twisting of whole body. It is very important because we tend to give certain movements which are not really good for one part of the body, or there is no complementary postures. So when we do twisting, it kind of balances the whole body. Even if you have not given complementary postures for certain asanas or certain movements, it balances here. We'll begin with that. Now inhale, lift both of your legs to 90 degree. Exhale and release your legs to the right side. Here make sure your knees are straight. With the help of your hand, you can either pull your toes towards yourself or place your palm on your calf muscle and pull it yourself. Make sure your head is to the opposite side and you should feel maximum twist in the abdominal region. Try taking your legs as much closer to your body as possible to feel more twist, and hold the posture. Normal breathing. 1, 2. Okay. The other side you can. Hold this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly inhale and take it to the center. Take your legs to the center. Exhale to the opposite side and hold the posture. Yes. Turn your neck to the right side this time. Make sure your shoulders are completely on the ground. Do not lift your shoulders up. Give maximum twist to the abdominal region. Hold the posture. Normal breathing. Take your legs closer to your body. Yes. Hold. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, slowly come back to center. Exhale and release. Release your legs. Relax for 2 breaths. You will feel the maximum twist given to your abdominal region. Apart from dancing, it is very good for practice for those who have problem with diabetes, for insulin production, as it squeezes our pancreas. Yes. We'll move to the next one. Hands in your shoulder level once again. Yes. Now keep your feet apart. Bring your heels closer to your hips. Bend your knees. Yes. We are going for Markata. Closer, closer, more closer. Yes. Keep your feet apart. Now we will slowly Keep our exhale and release our legs to the right side and left side. Yes, inhale center, left. Inhale center, right. Inhale center, left. Inhale center, right. Inhale center, left. Inhale, exhale, release your legs. Relax. Here you have two options. You can either keep turning your neck to the opposite sides. If you are releasing your legs to the right, you can turn your neck to the left side, or you can keep your head in the center and practice that. We'll move to Shavasana. Keep your feet apart, hands apart. Your palms should be facing the ceiling. Release the complete body weight on the mat or the ground. And make sure each muscle of your body, each part of your body is completely relaxed. Let it very loose. Normal breathing. Keep your eyes relaxed, keep your eyebrows relaxed. Do not shrink any part of your body. Just bring your complete concentration on your breath. Take deep inhalation. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. And exhale completely. We will try to do very minimum breathing practice in Shavasana itself. So Shavasana is basically done because we have to give relaxation to our body after any kind of activities. When we are in Shavasana, we keep our complete body loose. So we allow our body, we give time to our body to do any kind of repairing if there is any internal damages. If you have any targeted place where you have pain or stress or tension, during Shavasana practice, take your complete awareness. Suppose you have some knee pain. Take your complete awareness towards your knees and give the commands to the muscles around your knees to give complete relaxation to that part. Lot of times when we dislocate our joints, especially shoulders, if you practice Shavasana properly, then a lot of people tend to get that corrected in Shavasana practice. So Shavasana is basically the time for your body to go for any corrections or repairing. So keep your complete concentration on your breath. Just observe your breathing and relax your breathing. We will go for 3 rounds of abdominal breathing here. Take deep inhalation. Now fill your abdomen with maximum air. Raise it up like a balloon. Fill it with maximum air and exhale very slowly. Take deep inhalation. Fill excess amount of air in your abdomen. Exhale slowly. Inhale and exhale slowly. Relax your breathing. Slowly we will move for the thoracic breathing. Thoracic is our chest region, above our abdomen. Now take deep inhalation. Expand your chest and fill your lungs with maximum amount of air and then exhale slowly. Inhale, fill your lungs with maximum amount of air, your chest raises up, exhale slowly. Last round, take deep inhalation and exhale slowly. Relax your breathing, inhale, exhale. Finally, we will go for clavicular breathing. This region of our body is clavicular. So, very simple understanding. Take deep inhalation. Your chest should be filled with maximum air. After that, take little more air in, excess air. When you do that, your shoulders tend to move up. So, this part of your body takes the excess amount of air. So, that is nothing but clavicular breathing. We'll practice the 3 rounds. Take deep inhalation, fill your lungs with maximum air. Now try to breathe in more. Yes. Now exhale and relax. Inhale, fill your lungs with maximum air. Now try to take more air in. Exhale slowly. Last round. Take deep inhalation. Fill more air and exhale slowly. Relax. Relax your breathing. Relax your breathing. It is important to breathe consciously. So make sure your exhalation is longer than your inhalation. If you're taking breathe in for 4 to 5 counts, make sure your exhalation is about 8 to 10 counts. So you're holding your pranavayu for a longer period of time inside your body. So exhalation, let it be more deeper than your inhalation. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax your breathing. Your whole body is completely relaxed. All the muscles are loose and relaxed. Tensions from each muscles are released. Your breathing is normal. Now slowly let's try to take our internal awareness to each part of our body, starting from our toes. Take your internal awareness towards your toes. Do not move any part of your body. Observe your toes and give good relaxation to your toes. Observe your heels, ankles, calf muscles, knees, thigh muscles, hamstrings, glutes, that is your hip muscle. Give very good internal relaxation to complete lower body. Relax completely. Slowly take your awareness towards your lower abdomen, upper abdomen, chest, shoulders, biceps, elbows, forearms, wrist, palms, your fingers. Give very good relaxation to the upper region of the upper body. Give complete relaxation. Relax completely. Slowly take your internal awareness towards your lower back, upper back, shoulder blades. Give very good relaxation to your back. Relax completely. Observe your neck region. We have got maximum number of nerves and muscles in our neck region. So it is important to release all the tension from our neck region. Give very good relaxation to complete neck. Moving up to the chin, cheeks, lips, nose, eyes, eyebrows, ears, your forehead. Give very good relaxation to all the facial muscles. Have a gentle smile on your face and give good relaxation to your facial muscles. Moving up to your head region, crown of your head and back side of your head. Deep inhalation, inhale deeply and exhale completely. Inhale and exhale completely. Slowly come back to your consciousness and let's start moving our toes and our fingers very gently. We'll give very mild movements to all the parts of your body. Make sure your eyes are closed. Slowly start moving all the parts of your body. Yes. Slowly bring your feet together, arms above your head and interlock your fingers. Now take deep inhalation and give very good stretch to complete body. Stretch, 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 complete stretch and relax. Keeping your eyes closed, slowly turn to your right side. Be there for a few seconds. With the help of your palm, slowly raise up and sit in any comfortable posture. Keep your back straight. Normal breathing here. Yes. Bring your palms to Namaskar Mudra in front of your chest. We'll start rubbing our palms. Faster, faster, faster. Generate very good amount of heat. Yes. Place your palms on your eyes. Gently keep your eyes closed. Massage your face, your head, shoulders, arms, chest, abdomen, your back, hips, thighs, your knees. Give good massage to your knees, calf muscles, ankles and your toes. Slowly bring your palms in front of your face and open your eyes with a gentle smile. Interlock your hands behind. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, front fold. Show your gratitude to Mother Earth and slowly inhale, come up. Thank you.